see me recording today. Social anxiety, but oh well. What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. It's Shania. In today's video, I am definitely not recording this at home, so I do not have the iPad with me, but I wanted to give you guys an intro and just talk a little bit before I show y'all what y'all really came here to see, which is the iPad. But I'm at work, clearly, somewhere other than home. That's how I got the iPad. I ain't ashamed to say it. The iPad was paid for by working. I worked for it, period. But basically, I've never had an iPad before. This is my first iPad. The job paid for the iPad. Well, they didn't pay for it. I worked for it, and then they paid me, and then I paid for the iPad because I wanted to be an iPad girly, and I really wanted an iPad. I wanted it for school, and then to do like Bible study stuff on there too, because I saw like a lot of people use that as a good resource. I've literally been using it for like maybe a couple days now. I've done a little bit on there, and it's lovely. But I'm definitely gonna do more iPad content because I'm an iPad girly. iPad girlies have iPads, so they should create more iPad content for iPad lovers like myself. I'm gonna wear it out. Just know I'm gonna wear it out. I'm too stoked. I literally got it in the mail and had to wait 2 days just to get the accessories and stuff in the mail as well. I wanted to have everything together for you guys so that way you could see everything. So I was suffering internally. Suffering. But without further ado, I'm gonna let it be. Oh my god, I can't even talk. Without further ado, I'm gonna get into this video, let y'all see everything I packed, and let y'all see how I put everything together because it's so cute and it matches my phone. I can't show you because I use my phone to record, but the purple matches my phone, and my phone is purple and the iPad is purple, and it's so cute. 2022 iPad Air. All right, guys, so I'm starting by removing the sticker, but you're gonna hear a little bit of background noise. The music may cover it up, but they were like doing some type of work at my apartment, so don't mind that. It's a really pretty case in person. It has bubbles on the inside to help to absorb the shock if you were to drop your iPad. The only thing is it does not fit with the iPad case that I'm showing you here now. You would have to put the iPad in it without the case. And y'all, they totally had my box dented at the corners, but I was so excited I didn't even care. I was really hoping that it actually wouldn't be small in person because I did want the Pro, but I'm actually very happy with the way it came because it's a really nice size. I really liked how they had an instructional video for anyone who purchased a paperlike screen protector to actually teach them how to put it on. I, however, struggle with it, but if you guys can do it, definitely do it their way. I also like that they send this unique piece of artwork with your order with a welcome to the paperlike family letter to you on the back. It also comes with installation tools to make the application process a lot easier. It comes with a wet wipe to wipe down your screen, a dry wipe to actually dry off the screen, a sticker to remove any excess dust, as well as stickers to hold the paperlike screen protector in place so that way you can align it to your liking before actually committing to its placement. This part by far was the hardest part just because it was so difficult to get out those air bubbles. I wanted so desperately to say get somebody else to do it, but I had to do it. So I struggled, but eventually I got it. It was a process, but not too bad. I cleaned it off afterwards just to remove all my little excess fingerprints from trying to remove the bubbles. And after that, I put the case on it. While putting the case on it, because it was such a perfect fit, like this case was literally perfect. When I put it in, it actually pressed the power button, so it does actually turn my iPad on, which you will see shortly. So from this point on out, I'm just following Apple's prompts to set everything up, Touch ID, Apple ID, fingerprint, all that good stuff. I didn't want to transfer over any apps just because I kind of wanted it to be a fresh iPad. It was brand new, so I just wanted to start fresh and kind of organize things to my liking rather than have it be a second phone for me by having everything identical. So y'all know I already clicked agree. I did not read all that. Nobody really does unless they absolutely have to or just want to. I definitely made this my iPad because I'm an iPad girly. I was so stoked. I added my card information, but I decided to set up Apple Cash later. This is the default home screen when you first get started. I decided to go into settings and test out my Apple Pencil. I did have to connect it to the iPad via the little area that's in the case, so that way it would pop up because it did not automatically pop up. But then I went and, you know, basically went through the little tutorials that they had to teach you how to do everything with the pencil and basically the little shortcuts that they integrated to make it easier for you. I thought this was really cute, by the way. It was really, really a creative way to get you familiarized with new technology. So this is a little video to show you what I was referring to earlier, that you cannot have the case on and use the pouch at the same time. You have to use either one separately. They cannot coexist together. Alright guys, so I hope you enjoyed my little unboxing video. Yes, I'm at work. This is a completely different day. As you can see, I'm in a different vehicle for my job, but I just wanted to give you guys an outro. What is this, Christmas Eve? Yeah, Merry Christmas Eve. I hope you guys are getting iPads for Christmas, but I just wanted to say thank you guys for watching. I definitely am going to post more content for my iPad. The next video will be how I customize it, and I don't know, I'll think of some other stuff after that. If you've gotten this far and you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do. It helps your girl out a lot. It motivates me a lot. I need the motivation. Your girl be going through it. Definitely subscribe if you haven't already. Leave a like so that way I know you like this video, and leave a little comment if you want to be spicy. If you want to contact and talk to me through the comment section, I love it. I'll respond, I promise. Pinky promise. But thank you guys for watching again, but I'll see you in my next one. I'm out of here. I know you wanna be somebody, even if you gotta leave somebody. Yes, I'm her, yes, I'm her.